Holy crap, it's raining hard. Okay, I'm gonna do a shed tour or a chicken barn thing, and then our tractors are. So, got my snowmobile, Players 500, Edge, then got a 440, I think that one is, but that one's broken, doesn't work right now. Got our lovely lawnmower with no hood on it, long story thing. Got all of this, and sorry for the poor camera quality. Got my big bike, 21 gears on it, my small bike and my sister's dumb bike. Here's my the lawnmower I use. There's Easy Ride or Zero Turn. Put some snowmobiles on these things. If you ever need a spot to put snowmobiles, put them on like something like this. Again, got my grandma's four-wheeler, but mine pretty much. I'm the only one who drives it. Then I got my grandpa's four-wheeler, an 850. Nice. All these boats and everything aren't ours. All that. We store stuff for people. Then this says snowmobiles right there. One's a 600 Edge. This one's a 500. Players 500 Edge. That one's a 600 Edge. Thing. We got all of our wood. All of this. And I like this 850 because power steering on it. And it works super nice for pulling stuff because it has like 78 horsepower. This beast, power steering on it. This one's been through a lot. Oh, there's the hood. More. Here, got a old grainer. We also have a plow back there somewhere. Here's all that. Now I have to run up to a machine shed. So my coat. Yep, here we go. Hey. Oh, I hit the rain. We got a hay barn over there. It's raining out right now. So. Woo, it's trying to pick up. So that's a hay barn. We have another hay barn right there. There's also another machine shed farther out here. I'm not going to go to right now because it's raining, it's muddy. All I have on right now is tennis shoes. Okay. So here's our machine shed. Got the John Deere 320. My grandpa's building a stand. And think about putting it on a trailer or something. He has to finish the roof, put tin on it, finish it all up. We got the Massey 180. And favorite, I love this tractor. That's my tractor. I like driving it the most. Thing. Hop up in here real quick. Sorry for my language. So, cab light. Got all the dials. Got your RPMs, throttle, low, neutral, high, 4 seconds reverse, high multi-power, battery, fuel, oil pressure, water. Got the cab light. Come right here because it sucks at lighting in here. Got all that stuff, the whatever along the side. Walk up here. We got 3 Massey Ferguson 120. 1, 2. We got our 63. All 124 Masseys. Got a 65. We sit on here. This thing likes to I'll show you. Well, it likes to kick up, and if your foot slips off that, it kicks right in the shin and it hurts like a, you know what. We got our pull behinds, 2 of them. We only use this red one. Holland, Habe 7 and 479 thing. That's what we use for the metals. Got this baler. And stacking those small squares is a pain in my ass. Sorry for language, but it is. 100, this is the most powerful tractor we have right now. Thing. And as you can see in the other video, this is the one that got stuck. And so did the 180, but the 180 didn't get stuck as bad. So this one does not have a cab light. Fan doesn't work on it. And I don't know what that switch does. Oh, it turns on the back light. So then, this tractor, you got your RPMs right here, but the odometer's, the RPM thing's broken. Oil pressure, the generator, battery, water, and fuel. You got the low, high multi-power right here. Right here, you can't really see, but it's the PTO, unlike the 180 over there that has it on the side. This thing only has the seat thing, and where you put the PTO stuff where we don't have to screw with that. This has high, low, no neutral. There's park, first, reverse, second, third. Throttle and everything on here, up to the right and everything, all that. And then got a gas barrel, and yeah. So we have one more shed. There's a whole. I'll go show you our hay barn real quick, and show you. We have about 7 hay racks. A lot of stacking. Run! Whew. So this is our main hay barn. You see a kitty cat? Oh, no kitty cat. Turn the light on. Still can't really see this. Just climbing up on a hay rack right now. This hay rack holds 100 bales, and it's a location for everyone. So those bales can't really see for crap. Over here you can. These are all hay bales. All. And then there's 2 chutes. It's gonna fucking hurt. Okay. Hardcore part. Woo! If you lower it down into a chute, sorry you can't really see. Shot many pictures up here and put many holes. It leaks now. You got this one. In the wintertime, it's funny because we have a board here. This thing you use for pushing bales. Screw that, because going down is fun and everything. Then down below we have where we can put our bull when it's that time when we don't want him breeding, because we don't leave him out there all the time. Because the small beef cattle farm doesn't really work that way. So I would go show you guys the machine shed out there. Actually, I might go do that. Okay, bear with me. Oh, there's stupid dog crap. Nope. Thank God. Okay, because that's one hay rack. There's a hay rack in there. Don't know if we can really see crap. In there. That's our bucket for the skid loader. This 4-wheeler is my uncle's. They're filled up with hay bales. Fuck off, man. I'm sorry for my language again. I'm good. Hopefully, we let our land to the neighbor. Because I'm only in 9th grade. I'm a short little kid. This corner's taller than me, obviously, because I'm short. But our neighbor rents it. Thing. We have a little bit of over 160 acres out here. And I don't think we'll be able to see inside the machine shed, but here's one of our nurse setters. Here's all of our scrap material. It's a pile of dog crap. Will you be able to even see in here? Let's find out. Oh no. No, sorry guys. It's too dark. You just have like plastic so that you can see out. Oh, but I can't show you out here we have our neighbor do big squares for us thing. And we got a lot of wood. Like I mean a lot. We have a wood. This is another manure spreader. We have like 5 manure spreaders, but half of them have wood in them. Thing. We got a burn pile. But my uncle cuts wood, and he brings it all to us. So that's all the new wood thing. Got my uncle trailer. Got our brush hog, all that good stuff. And got our split wood. We stacked yet. Got more corn. We got a big pile of wood here. We have like 2 of these piles. Kind of ridiculous if you ask me. And it's super soupy out here right now. And so we got 2 rows of big squares. Yeah, but that's how wide the pile is. It goes back to over there, and I have to head back because it's starting to rain harder. And I'm saying, screw that. Oh, son of a. Stepped in some nice old mud. I come out here and cut all the way out here with this lawnmower. It plugs up every once in a while. Holy shit. Sorry about my language. I don't know if you can hear me good. I have my coat right now. I'm not speaking that loudly. But, yeah. Okay, good. I'm still recording. And, yeah. Pretty good thing we have going on right now. That's our old wood stove right over here, if you can see it. I don't know if you can right now, that white thing. And, we burn trash in that sometimes when it's too dry. We can't burn it on the actual burn pit back there. Oh, excuse me. Got old scorpion. I should say stinger. Scorpion stinger. More thing. Got some pipes because my grandpa used to work at the paper mill in St. Cloud. Anything, or Sartell, I should say, Minnesota. And we'd always take apart the crates and get that. There's our things right there. Those things are the things that we use for when we would seed oats by ourselves and not borrow our neighbors thing, because he has a big John Deere thing that we can use, everything like that. Helpful. We use that thing and we drag that across it behind it to smooth it out, but now we don't have to do that. Thank God. And yeah. Oh, and we got somebody who's just bringing their boat right now for storage. So yeah, that's the bottom part of our shed. Whew, it's a little bit wet out here. Holy crap! A lot of people bringing their boats and pontoons. Yeah, we got the boat coming, and then we have a pontoon right behind them. And this is my truck soon, hopefully. So we got 2 wood hay racks right here. Step over this big wood pile, one right there. Alright, so yeah. Holy crap! Wait, do you want me to grab the skid? You want me to grab the skid loader? Okay. Okay. Damn it! I really wanted to go get the skid loader and show you guys when I drive. I'm not the best, and it's not my tablet, and that's why the camera's closed so bad. I don't know how to do everything with the GoPro yet, so I'm not gonna go buy one and not be able to use it, because it's a waste of money then. And so I'm gonna come back here and show you where we keep our steers. This went in the butchering a couple weeks ago thing, because we sell some meat then thing. Oh crap! So we got our feed. Our feed thing. This is our little, whatever else you want to call it. Got another big thing of hay bales here. Oh, this thing's full to the brim. I'm talking about full. The ceiling's up there. So, oh, nice corn pail sitting there. This, we're trying to get the littler calves come in. Then we got this big square barrel that couldn't fit in the wrapper for us. Thing. In a wrapper. And then we got our corn wagon. Thing. That. And, oh, I showed you guys the chutes before. That's where they are. Right there. And, so, that one. Right there. Yeah. That one. In the wintertime, I went down that thing to push a bale, and I went right to the very end there. And there's a feeder right there, just like this one. So let's just go off this. So I went to that edge right there and pushed the bale off, and I couldn't get turned back around. And it'd either fall down then on a cow, make it pissed off, probably get murdered, or jump into the feeder. So I did. And we have metal bars in that feeder to hold it in place, but I knew exactly where it was. So I jumped into the feeder, almost landed on a cow's head, like moved all the cows back and made them go like WTF thing. That was fun thing. So yeah. Come on. Son of a buck. You can tell I'm super professional at this. Sorry I haven't been uploading much because I haven't really had that much time to do anything or anything like that because it's been so crappy out thing that I haven't had much to do because I'm not going to come out and cut wood all the time. But my stupid little sister is old enough now that she can help, but she's too fucking lazy. I mean, flipping lazy. Do it because I have helped load them up so many times. Oh, fudge. Woohoo!
How you doing, buddy?
Hello. Good. Whew. Got my. Hopefully soon I can get a 20 gauge instead of using 410, and the pockets are gonna go bye bye. I'm gonna sit you guys down. Well, sorry again for the bad camera quality and everything, but hopefully you liked the video, and thank you.